Good morning, students. Today we will try to discuss about a new chapter, that is friction. Before going to the chapter, we need to know about Newton's first law of motion. What is this Newton's first law of motion? States. So we'll try to take one example. Consider an athlete participating in a 100 meters race. So the person is running very fast, and all of a sudden we are asking to stop the person. Will he able to stop, or will he able to change the direction, or will he able to turn back suddenly? It is not possible. The person can stop gradually. That means the person is in motion, and all of a sudden he cannot change from motion to rest. So the body want to continue with what it is doing. The body don't want to change its state from either motion to rest or rest to motion. We'll try to consider one more example. Consider a ball on the ground at rest. On the ball, two balanced forces will be acting. One is the normal force in the upward direction, and one more is the gravitational force in the downward direction. And if we are considering this ball is at rest position actually. So in order to bring the ball into motion, we have to apply an unbalanced force. Now consider another ball which is in motion, and on this ball also two balanced forces are acting. One is gravitational force and the other one is the normal reaction. Now if you want to bring this ball to rest or to change its direction, we have to apply an unbalanced force. So to bring the ball from rest to motion or motion to rest, we have to apply an external unbalanced force. Now this Newton's first law states that a body which is in motion want to be in motion, and a body which is at rest want to be at rest unless an external unbalanced force is applied. Or in simple words, the body will try to resist its state. The ability to resist its state is called as Newton's first law of motion, that is also called as inertia. We'll try to have one more example regarding the unbalanced force. If you observe the game of tug of war, you would have seen that the teams pulling the rope in opposite directions. If the rope doesn't move, then the two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite direction. Then the two forces are called as balanced forces. If one of the team pull the rope harder with more force, then the rope will move towards that particular team on the left side. These two forces are opposite but of not equal magnitude. So this type of forces are called unbalanced forces. If one of the team lets off the rope, then the other team falls down. This is due to inertia. Next, we'll try to consider one more example. Consider a person traveling in a bus, and he is standing in a bus which is at rest position. If the bus suddenly move, then the upper part of the person or body is pushed backwards. This happens because of inertia of rest experienced by the upper part of the body. The body is at rest when the bus is at rest, but when the bus starts suddenly, the lower part of the body move along with bus, whereas the upper part of the body continues to be at rest. So this is called as inertia of